Did you die when you got shot with a shotgun?
Yeah, he blasted me in my basement. Fucking want that bitch. Dirty asshole. Badass, stupid ass motherfucker. That is stupid.
What's that?
I bought a million.
What? Why?
Was I rich as fuck?
Oh, right. Okay, bro. I'm scrolling Facebook and I see one of them. Your birth month is what you good at. So I'm like, okay. I look over in March. I'm like, alright, it's gonna be something dope, right? Nah, bro. Guess what it says?
Mm.
Sucking dick. That's some bullshit. When's your birthday?
November.
Cartel boss.
Yep.
Whoever's born in June, I feel sorry for you. I think I'd rather take the sucking winter. Gangbangs. January is being a bitch.
If you were a fruit, be a pineapple. But if you were a vegetable, you'd be in a wheelchair.
Somebody ban this man.